Have you spent more time fixing flaky tests than actual testing? Yeah, same here. And if you're like me, constantly battling CI/CD failures, broken locators, and endless script maintenance, you know the struggle is real. But I found something that genuinely caught my attention at this year's Automation Guild. It's called ZAPTEST AI. And let me show you why it's worth a quick look. So here's what I thought was really cool. Imagine this. You sketch a login page on a napkin, or, a proper mock-up. ZAPTEST scans it, reads the fields, and boom, automatically builds an automated script for you. No code, no brittle locators, just test-ready scripts from a mock-up. Cool, right? So check it out. Here's a rough mock-up I made of a login page. I'm importing it into ZAPTEST using the Scan GUI feature. As you can see, instantly it detects the text fields and creates objects. No manual tagging. And look at this. Anchoring relationships are built automatically. If the username field moves, the test doesn't break. No XPath drama. Just works. So let's build out the test flow together using drag and drop with zero code required. We're going to validate the login page loads, type in the username and password, and click the login button. Now here's the kicker. One script, multiple platforms. You can run this against iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, all running in parallel. All right, so let me show you that. We'll take the test we just created and run against 4 different platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS. Check out how we're able to connect to all 4 real physical devices. During the execution, we're able to track each device progress through the live remote view. When done, we can view the results of each device. And because I know you're probably wondering, it does help with documentation. How? With one click, you can export it as a Word, HTML, XML, CSV, or push it straight to any common ALM system. Plus, using Plan Studio, which is ZAPTEST zero code engine, makes test maintenance almost, you heard it, fun. Yeah, I said it, fun. Their AI Copilot feature, it's like having a test automation buddy that gives you suggestions to reduce errors and improve your scripts. And as you know, AI is not magic, but this really uses a really solid AI algorithm, so it gives you really good AI assistance engineering. So after speaking to Alex at ZAPTEST and seeing a bunch of demos and hearing from a bunch of customers, I really think this tool could solve some of these headaches we all know too well. Will it fix every use case? Probably not. But if you're stuck in script maintenance hell or want to see how AI is evolving our craft, it's really worth exploring. So I've dropped a link below if you want to check it out, or honestly, just hang around here for more real-world automation awesomeness. Either way, keep testing. As always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.